Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an Amazon haul. I'm showing you guys all my beauty essentials and just simple essentials that I have found on Amazon because I've been finding really good things. So I'm going to show you guys what I've gotten. But before we do that, if you haven't already, please don't forget, subscribe to my channel, give the video a like, and let's get into the video. I got a nail drill as soon as quarantine started and I had my nails on. I was like, I need to take these nails off since the nail salons are closed. So I went and got myself a nail drill. And I know you can obviously take off your nails without a nail drill. You can take it off yourself. But I wanted to be a little bougie and get myself a nail drill. So I went and I got myself a nail drill. It comes with like a bunch of different tips to take it off. So I got myself my own nail drill to take it off at home. So super helpful. I got hair scrunchies. I've said this before in another video, but 20 hair scrunchies for literally like $10. So super affordable. And you guys already know they say hair elastics are not good for your hair. So we want to take care of our hair. So I got a hair scrunchie instead just to, just help with hair health and all of that. And I love sorting my outfits according to hair scrunchies. Like I feel like it's so cute. So that's what I do. So this is a scalp massager and I've been hearing this. I know you guys have probably already heard this too, that if you're trying to grow your hair, you need to stimulate your scalp and stimulate like the hair follicles and just massage your scalp. So I found this hair scalp massager and you literally just massage your scalp and it feels so relaxing. So I've been doing this to help grow my hair. And this is all my natural hair. So I know my hair is like super long, like it is my natural hair, but I'm trying to grow my hair out because since you already know my hair was shaved under here, I'm trying to grow this out. So I've just, been massaging my scalp, trying to encourage it to grow, and super relaxing. I just keep this in my shower. I got this pouch for my hair extensions on Amazon, and I know I just said that my hair is all natural. It is. I'm not wearing any extensions, but I do wear extensions from time to time just because I want to balance out this side of my head that doesn't have as much hair. So I sometimes just add in the extensions, and this is so good to preserve them because they were literally just laying around in my house. So I love this. So good to travel, so good to preserve them. So you need this if you guys have a hair extensions, wigs, anything like that. Like super, super good just to take care of them. I got these two hair towels, and these are microfiber towels. It goes on your head like a turban. You just like wrap it up, and it's good because it actually makes your hair dry a lot faster. And they say that the material is safer on your hair because towels break your hair. That's what they say. So that's why I was like, you know what, let me pick up some microfiber towels and see if my hair dries faster, and it definitely does. So it comes in a pack of 2, so super affordable. You can give one to your friend, give one to your sister, or you can just use both. I got this book, and guys, I'm not a reader. I hate reading. Even in university, it was my biggest struggle. Like, I don't know how I got through university because I used to just skim through the pages. I never read, but I'm trying to make reading a habit because I know it's so good for you. So I picked up this book. It's called Hello, My Name is Awesome, and it's how to create brand names that stick. So it's super good if you're trying to come up with brand names for your business or business plans, business ideas. Like, it's really, really helpful for getting yourself started in a business and just creative ideas. So I've been reading through it, highlighting things. I'm halfway through, so I've actually been reading it. So I totally recommend this if you guys are interested in starting a business or anything. I have something exciting coming up, which I will talk about in the near future, but guys, this is super, super exciting. Vitamins. I am huge on health, fitness. Like, I'm really, really big on fitness. So I did pick up some vitamins. And again, I'm not recommending certain vitamins for certain people because I'm not a doctor, I'm not a professional. This is just what works for me. So I picked up B12 and I picked up folic acid. I take these every single day. And I know that they sell this at Walmart, they sell this at Shoppers Drug Mart, but I was already on Amazon, so I was like, let me just pick it up online. So I take these 2 every single day. Probiotics. I have been taking probiotics for years. I've been taking this exact same one for years now. I actually usually pick this up at health stores, but I found it on Amazon for a lot cheaper and a bigger size, so I picked it up on Amazon. This is the Renew Life Ultimate Flora Probiotic for women. So for women, let's be honest, you already know you got to keep everything in check. Good bacteria, bad bacteria, you got to keep everything in check down there. So this is super helpful just to keep everything controlled, keep all your juices flowing, keep everything super healthy. So I take this every single day, and I love this. Like, I can't go without it. You can get probiotics from yogurt and like natural things, but I prefer a vitamin, especially one meant for women. So I like this. And guys, this is not sponsored. This is literally me just talking from real life. I love this, and it's really, really good. Spanx. You already know a lot of women wear Spanx. I am new to the Spanx game. I've never gotten Spanx before, but a lot of people have been telling me like they wear Spanx and they find it helpful to wear under dresses because it just snatches everything up. So I picked up these. It's a thong back, so you can't really like notice that you're wearing it, and it has wiring in it, so it kind of just tightens everything up, makes you look nice and snatched. Guys, I'm gonna tell you, I don't love it. I like it for the price. It is very affordable. So if you're trying to like get into it, this is good for dresses. However, please comment down below. Let me know, do you guys wear Spanx? Like, where have you gotten them from? I wanna try Skims. That's what I really wanna try. But for now, this is like my first one that I've tried. So it's an affordable price. A tongue cleaner. I did not know this existed. When I was on Amazon and I saw this, I was like, well, wait a second. This is a real thing. Like, tongue cleaner is a real thing. So this is really good to clean your tongue. You literally just swipe it down your tongue and it takes off all the bacteria, like everything. Your tongue is so clean when you use this. So I love this because when I brush my teeth, I do not play no games. Like, I need to make sure my teeth are super clean. My tongue is super clean. Like, I'm huge on hygiene. So this is really good, guys. And you want your breath to smell good at all times. So make sure your tongue is clean at all times. So I totally recommend this, and it's surgical steel, so super sanitary, really easy to clean. So definitely check this out. I'm really trying to come through with all the hygiene tips, the beauty tips, the vitamins. I'm really trying to come through. Now I'm going to put you on to one of my favorite things, guys. So I know you guys have heard of Lumi cases. I used to have a Lumi case. So it has like, it's a phone case with a light to kind of brighten up your photos and your videos. But with Lumi cases, I found that because it was like a soft plastic, it got really yellow, and it made the light yellow. It got dirty. So this right here is so good because it doesn't get dirty, and look at how bright it is. Like, guys, this is gonna change your selfie game, your Instagram, your TikToks, everything will be lit. Literally, it will be lit. So I love this stuff, and it's dimmable. I just got a new phone, so that's why I got a new one. But guys, I'm literally in the club, like, you know, with my light, like I'm in there with this. So I think everybody needs this. It's super affordable, and it's better than the Lumi case. So definitely had to make sure I picked another one up for myself. The last thing I got was an iPhone tripod. This is my second tripod. My last one broke on me, so I upgraded and I got this one. This is actually 54 inches tall, so you just unclip it and it becomes really tall, so you can make sure you get all your angles you need. So I love using tripods for my selfies, for my TikToks, for everything, and it actually comes with a Bluetooth remote. So you connect it to your phone and you can take your own photos. You literally just strike your pose and here you are in your hand just clicking it. Nobody will ever know. Like, it's really helpful. Like, you guys need this in your life. That is the end of my Amazon haul. I hope you guys found this helpful. I do have everything listed down below in case you guys are interested in purchasing anything. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.